AZZUNO Cement Mixer Electric Concrete Mixer Machine is a powerful and practical solution for anyone handling construction, renovation, or heavy-duty DIY projects. Designed for mixing cement, mortar, mud, paint, plaster, grout, and other thick materials, this handheld mixer offers strong performance with the convenience of portability. It helps save time, reduce manual effort, and deliver smoother, more consistent mixing results for both professionals and home users. One of the standout features of this mixer is its powerful 110V motor, combined with 6 adjustable speed settings. This allows users to control the mixing intensity depending on the material being used. Thicker substances like cement and mortar require stronger torque, while lighter materials like paint or drywall mud need smoother, controlled mixing. Having multiple speed levels makes the tool much more versatile and gives better precision for different tasks. The handheld design adds major convenience compared to bulky traditional mixers. It's easy to carry, simple to store, and ideal for smaller workspaces where large mixing machines are impractical. Whether working indoors on tile installation or outdoors on concrete repairs, the portable design makes the tool flexible and easy to use in different environments. Comfort and control are also strong points. The ergonomic dual-handle design helps reduce hand and arm fatigue during extended use, while improving balance and stability. This is especially important when mixing dense materials that create resistance. A secure grip makes the operation safer and allows better handling for cleaner, more efficient results. The mixing paddle is built for effective blending, helping materials combine quickly and evenly without clumps. This improves the quality of cement mixes, wall plaster, tile adhesive, and paint preparation, making the final finish smoother and more professional. It also helps reduce waste by ensuring better consistency from the start. Durability is another important advantage. The AZZUNO mixer is built with strong materials designed to handle repeated heavy-duty work. It feels reliable enough for regular job site use, while still being simple enough for homeowners taking on renovation projects. This balance of strength and usability adds long-term value. Versatility makes this tool even more useful. Beyond concrete and cement, it can also be used for paint mixing, feed blending, drywall compounds, and other household or workshop tasks. That means it serves more than one purpose, making it a smart investment. For anyone looking for a dependable electric mixing tool that combines power, portability, and adjustable control, the AZZUNO Cement Mixer delivers excellent results. It makes demanding mixing jobs faster, easier, and far more consistent while reducing physical strain and improving overall project quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.